In today's fast-paced business landscape, efficient data discovery is crucial for organizations across various industries. Introducing iDox.ai Sensitive Data Discovery, the solution that revolutionizes document discovery and empowers businesses to take control of their data no matter what industry they belong to. With our customizable API and technology tailored to meet the unique needs of different industries, you can unlock the benefits of data discovery in your specific sector. It's 2 simple steps. First, discover privacy data within your repository and then protect it with data mover and redaction. Let's explore how iDox.ai Sensitive Data Discovery can benefit different industries. Finance and banking. Automate document discovery to ensure compliance with regulations, streamline auditing processes, and identify potential risks with ease. Healthcare. Enhance medical systems by efficiently processing health studies, medical reports, and medications, saving time and improving patient care. Retail and e-commerce. Streamline CRM integration by extracting critical customer information from documents, enabling personalized marketing, and improving customer experiences. Insurance. Facilitate document sharing within insurance agencies, ensuring quick and secure access to policies, claims, and customer information, enhancing collaboration and productivity. Legal. Improve case management systems by automating document discovery, organizing evidence, and extracting relevant information for efficient legal proceedings. Human resources. Streamline HR processes by automating document discovery, ensuring compliance with employee records, and optimizing talent management. One of our satisfied customers said, "Implementing iDox.ai Sensitive Data Discovery transformed our document discovery process. It saved us valuable time and provided invaluable insights that helped us make informed decisions in our industry." No matter which industry you belong to, iDox.ai Sensitive Data Discovery offers powerful features and benefits that can drive your business forward. Ready to unlock the potential of data discovery in your industry? Experience the power of iDox.ai Sensitive Data Discovery and transform the way your business operates. iDox.ai Sensitive Data Discovery, empowering businesses with efficient data discovery. Schedule a demo today and discover how our solution can revolutionize your industry.